So here I am, driving the Chinook for the first time. I'm so excited. I'm in too high. Seems like the power is actually pretty good, even with no exhaust. I'm so friggin' excited. Literally, the first time. It's moved. All right, YouTube land. Jordan Booth Welding here. Check this out. So it's flexed. The hubs are locked. It's doing stuff. Check that out. Walked right up on here. Super excited. I have a temporary fuel tank, obviously, just dangling down there, a little 5-gallon rigged up. No air in the airbags. This is literally just scabbed on 6 feet of exhaust pipe under here. We're gonna do real exhaust, 20-gallon tank, plumb the airbags. Got the compressor is in there, but I got a wire and plumb it. I just had to take it for a little shakedown. I'm so excited. Looks like I got the bump stop set right. Driveline front looks happy when it's stuffed in here. No steering touching any springs or anything. Everything looks super happy and it feels tight and right. Of course, I haven't gone over 30 miles an hour yet, but it's nice to know transmission, transfer case shifting smooth. Power steering works amazing. Let's look underneath here on the back here. The airbag compression, even though there's not air in them, and the shocks and everything back here look super happy. I'm just ecstatic to have this thing moving under its own power, and everything's checking out real good. Once I get the real tank in it, or at least the airbags pumped up, I can take it out on the road. We're also sending the driveline off to be double cardoned and balanced. But I'm just so excited. I had to share this with the world. Soon enough, the next video will be Death Star fully operational video. When it's done. I'm just fired up about it. Interior is not finished, obviously. You gotta just put some seats in it and carpet, and that's it. Jordan Booth signing off, having a little celebration ale. Did you find it?
Yep. Setting it.
Alright, first time. I'm lined up with it pretty good, right? We can't see anything.
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah. You're on it. Oh yeah. Yeah, you're there. You might have been able to go a hair more.